Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the Wingman in stainless steel. Great for DIY projects around the house, on the job, and at the campsite. Weight is 7 ounces, 198.4 grams. Close length is 3.8 inches, 9.7 centimeters. Blade length is 2.6 inches, 6.6 centimeters. Features 14 tools. Spring action needle nose pliers, spring action regular pliers, spring action wire cutters, spring action wire stripper, 428C combo knife, serrated action scissors, package opener, ruler, 1.5 inches, 3.8 centimeters, can opener, bottle opener, wood metal file, Phillips screwdriver, medium screwdriver, small screwdriver. Also has replaceable pocket clip, outside accessible features, one hand operable features.